completely redesigned for 2018, the Lexus LS sedan features expressive new styling, plenty of technology and an imposing size that makes it a worthy brand flagship. After years of getting by with only minor upgrades, the Lexus LS sedan has been fully redesigned for 2018. It's only slightly larger than before, but it features a radically different exterior design that gives it a completely different look. The intricate grille design that has been used on several other Lexus models is now one of the most distinguishing features of the LS, and the rest of the car gets more subtle changes that result in a much sleeker sedan overall. There's something very different under the hood as well. Instead of standard V8 power, the new LS 500 is powered by a twin-turbo V6. Rated to deliver 415 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque, the 3.5-liter engine sends its power to the rear wheels through a 10-speed automatic transmission. No fuel efficiency figures have been released yet, but expect the new engine to offer significantly better mileage than the current V8 engine. Like the new Lexus LC Coupe, the LS sedan has a unique interior that manages to look modern without following the design trends of its European competitors. It's also packed with the latest technology, yet it doesn't look overwhelmingly complex. Up front, the driver and front passenger can opt for seats that adjust in 28 directions, and a rear seat passenger upgrade package adds adjustable seats with heating, cooling and massage functions. No pricing details have been announced, but the current LS 460 starts at just over $72,000. Sales are expected to begin in the second half of 2017.